Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In C language tutorial, in this session, we are going to discuss the topic string functions in C language. I am Kranti, lecturer in computer science. Let's start the topic now. String functions. First of all, what is a string? A string is a collection of characters written in double quotes. Here, a string is nothing but it is a collection of characters. If you write one alphabet, then it is called as a character. So, if you write multiple alphabets together, then it is called as a string. Remember, always we have to write the string inside the double quotes. Like example, hello. Here, hello is the collection of characters HELLO, and all these characters are written together and these are enclosed within double quotes symbol. C language provides a large collection of built-in string functions that are used to perform string manipulations. So C language provides some built-in predefined string functions. These string functions are used to perform string manipulations. Manipulations means what? So some operations can be performed on strings. So these operations are going to change the values or move the values, copy the values, converting into uppercase into lowercase values. So all these functions are performing string manipulations. That's why string functions are also called as string manipulation functions. String functions deal with the string type of values. So string functions are used to perform the operations on the string values. The prototypes of string functions are stored in string.h header file. So this string.h header file must be included in your program to use string functions. So if you want to use any string function, you have to include string.h header file to your program at the beginning of the program. So we can use the following preprocessor directive statement to include string.h header file to your program at the beginning of the program. So we have to write a preprocessor directive statement. So this is the preprocessor directive statement #include string.h. This statement is used to include string.h header file to your program. Next we will see what are the types of string functions. What are the string functions available in C language? C language supports the following types of string functions. They are number 1, string length. So string length function is used to find the number of characters of a specified string. The general format of this function is string length of string name. So here string name we have to pass as the argument to the string length function. This string length function is used to calculate how many number of characters are existed inside the string. So if you provide whatever the string is provided to the string length function, in that string how many number of characters are there. So this function is used to calculate, it is used to find how many number of characters are there in the string. Let's see one example. Here I am taking char str equals to hello. Here I am creating a string array and that is of character data type. In that string array I am storing the value, I am storing the string value hello. So here hello is having HELLO. So five characters are there in string. Now I am going to use string length function on string variable. Now this statement, the above function returns the result as 5 because hello is the word having 5 characters. So the string length is 5 here. This is the usage of string length function. Next we will see the next function. Number 2, string comparison. This function is called as string comparison function. The string comparison function is used to compare two strings to check whether they are equal or not. String comparison function is used to compare two strings, so it produces the result whether they are equal or not. So the string comparison function takes two arguments to compare, that are they are string 1 and string 2. The general format of the function is, let's see the syntax. So this is the syntax to use string comparison function. String comparison function, string 1 comma string 2. We have to pass two strings as the arguments to the string comparison function here. If string 1 is equal to string 2, then the above function returns the value 0. If both the strings are equal, then the value will be 0, then the result will be 0. If string 1 is greater than string 2, then it returns positive number, positive value. If string 1 is less than string 2, then it returns the negative value. So if the above function, the string comparison function, returns 0 if they are equal, it returns positive value if the string 1 is greater than string 2. It returns negative number if the string 1 is less than string 2. Next we will see one example. Here I am taking two strings, char string 1 equals to hello, string 2 equals to hi. Next I am using string comparison function on string 1 comma string 2. This function, the above function, this function returns positive value because the string 1 is greater than string 2. Here string 1 is having the value hello, string 2 is having the value hi. The string 1 is having higher value, string 2 is having lesser value, low value. Okay, that's why the above function returns a positive value because string 1 is greater than string 2. Next we will see the third type of string function, that is string copy. String copy function is used to copy one string value to another string. So if you want to copy one string value into another string value, then you have to use string copy function. So this string copy function accepts two strings arguments. So we have to pass two string values, two string variables as the arguments to the string copy function. The general format of this function is, let's see the syntax. String copy of string 1 comma string 2. The value of the string 2 will be copied into string 1. So the next string, the second string value should be always copied to first string value. Means string 2 value will be copied into string 1. So here we have to keep in mind the string 1 should be large enough to store the value of string 2. Means if the string 1 is having the length lesser than the string 2, then the value will not be fit into string 1. That's why, so always the string 1 length should be, the string 1 capacity should be equal or greater than string 2. Next we will see one example for this string copy function. Here I am taking two strings. First string I am taking string 1 is empty. I am not assigning any value because the second string value should be copied into string 1. That's why I am leaving it empty. String 2 equals to welcome. So here string 2 is having the value welcome. Next I am writing string copy of string 1 comma string 2. Now the string 1 is having the value welcome because string 2 value is copied into string 1. Now string 2 is having welcome, string 1 is having welcome. Why? The string 2 value will be copied into string 1. This is the use of string copy function. Next we will see the fourth type of string function, that is string concatenation. See here, this function is called as string concatenation. String concatenation function is used to perform the concatenation operation on two strings. So what is the concatenation operation? Concatenation is appending the second string value at the end of the first string value. So the second string value will be added to the first string ending. So after first string ending, the second string value should be added. So this process is called as concatenation operation. So simply we can say that string concatenation function is used to join two strings. The general format of this function is the syntax for string concatenation function, string concatenation function of string 1 comma string 2. We will see one example for this function. Here I am taking two strings, char string 1 equals to hello, string 2 equals to world. So now I am writing string concatenation function string 1 comma string 2. See here, the second string value should be added at the end of the first string. So the string 1 will be sufficient to fit the total value. This is the point we have to keep in mind. Okay, let's see. Now by the above statement, by the above function, the string 1 is having the value hello world, because this second string value is world, first string value is hello. So after hello, the world will be added. So that's why string 1 is having now hello world, because string 2 value world will be appended at the end of string 1. So this is about string concatenation function. Next we will see fifth type of string function, that is strlwr. Strlwr function is used to convert the given string into lowercase. So strlwr function is used to, this function converts the given string into lowercase. So how many characters are there in the string? All the characters should be converted into lowercase alphabets. It accepts only one string as the argument. So strlwr function takes only one string as the argument. The general format of this function is, let's see the syntax for strlwr function. Strlwr of string name semicolon. Next we will see one example for this function. Char string 1 equals to hello. Here I am providing all the capital letters. I am storing all the capital letters of capital alphabets, uppercase alphabets into string 1. I am taking one more string 2 here. Now I am writing string 2 equals to strlwr of string 1. This means what? The string 1 value should be converted into strlwr and the final result will be stored in string 2. Now the converted lowercase string will be stored in lowercase string value will be stored in string 2. Now by the above statement, string 2 is having the value lowercase hello, because we applied on string 1 strlwr function. Strlwr function is applied on string 1 and string 1 value is previously uppercase hello. After applying strlwr function on string 1, the string 2 is having the value lowercase hello. This is about strlwr function. And next we will see the last type of string function, string upper. String upper function is used to convert the given string into uppercase. So string upper function works opposite to the strlwr function. It is also accepts only one string as the argument. The general format of the string upper function is, let's see the syntax. String upper of string name. Next we will see one example. Char string 1 equals to hello and string 2 equals to empty here. Here observe this, for the string 1 I am assigning the values in lowercase. Hello lowercase. Hello is the word and this word is in lowercase, and this string value is stored in string 1. Next I am writing string 2 equals to string upper of string 1. String upper string 1 means what? Whatever the value is stored in string 1, that should be converted into uppercase and then final result, the converted uppercase string is stored in string 2. Now by the above statement, string 2 is having the value uppercase hello because the lowercase hello is converted into uppercase. This is about string upper function. Next we will write a C language program using string functions. Let us write now. Hash include stdio.h, hash include string.h. See here why we have to use string.h. All the predefined string functions are available in string.h header file. That's why we have to include string.h header file at the programming beginning. Int main function, opening brace, char string 1 equals to good, string 2 equals to morning, and I am taking one more string variable string 3 and it is empty. I am not assigning with any value. Integer, I am taking a integer variable a here, int a. Printf string 1 length is string length function of string 1. So this function is used to display, this function is used to find the length of the string 1. Next I am writing printf statement to find the length of the string 2. String 2 length is string length of string 2. Now I am going to check whether the string 1 and string 2 are equal or not by using the string comparison function. So the final result I am storing into the variable a equals to string comparison of string 1 comma string 2. If a equals to 0, then printf string 1 and string 2 are equal. Else means if a is not equal to 0, then printf string 1 and string 2 are not equal. Else block close. Next I am writing printf statement to copy. Here. Now I am writing printf statement to copy the string 3. The copied string into string 3 is string 3. Next we will see printf concatenated string 1 is string concatenation of string 1 comma string 2. So here I am applying string concatenation function of string 1 and string 2. So the string 2 value will be appended at the end of the string 1 and the final total appended string is stored in string 1. Next return statement, return 0, and then finally main function close. So the program is ended here. I am sharing with you the output for this program. This is the output for this program. See here, first string length, string 1 length is 4. Here good, string 1 is having good, means that length is 4. String 2 is having morning, so string 2 length is 7. String 1 and string 2 are not equal. String 1 and string 2 are not equal here because string 1 is having 4 characters, string 2 is having 7 characters. String 1 is holding good, string 2 is holding morning. So they both are not equal. That's why string 1 and string 2 are not equal. Copied string into string 3. String 3 copied string is good. So string 1 is copied into string 3. Next concatenated string str1 is good morning. So here previously str1 is having, string 1 is having good, string 2 is having morning. But here string 1 is having good morning because concatenation operation is done. So this is the output for this program. I hope you understand about the string functions, string manipulation functions, string built-in functions. Please subscribe this channel for more computer science subject related videos. I am providing the links of another C language topics in this video description. Please watch them also. Thank you.